Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin with clean, damp hair because the mask penetrates better. Once done, towel blot to leave hair 80–90% wet. Take 1–2 coin-sized amounts for short hair or 3–4 for long, thick hair, and section into 4 parts so you control coverage. Apply the product from mid-lengths to ends. This is where damage concentrates, making sure not to overload the roots. You want even distribution quickly, so work methodically and move to the next section as you go. Once the mask is applied, you need to work it in. Use your fingers or a wide-tooth comb to distribute the product evenly through each section so every strand benefits. If you want deeper penetration, make sure to use a plastic cap or gentle heat. This increases uptake by a small but useful margin. Leave the mask on for the recommended 5–10 minutes, and if the formula is intensive, follow the label up to 15 minutes. Rinse timing affects results, so don't rush this phase. You finish by rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water until the water runs clear. Cooler final water tightens the cuticle and adds shine, so make sure to end on a brief cool rinse. Frequency depends on need. Use the mask 1 to 2 times weekly for damaged hair or once weekly for maintenance. If you encounter heavy residue, clarify once with a diluted shampoo. If hair feels dry afterward, follow with a light leave-in serum. These steps complete the cycle and protect results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.